In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the options chain on Tradingview. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of options trading or an experienced trader looking to refine your strategy, understanding how to navigate the options chain is an essential skill. Tradingview is a powerful platform that not only provides advanced charting tools, but also offers a detailed options chain interface for analyzing potential trades. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its features. Now, let's dive right in and break this process down step by step. First, open the Tradingview platform on your device. You can access it through your web browser or the Tradingview app, whichever you prefer. Once the platform is open, locate the symbol search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll enter the ticker symbol for the stock, ETF, or financial instrument you want to analyze. For example, if you're interested in Google, you would type Goog into the search bar. After typing the ticker symbol, press Enter. This action will pull up the chart and relevant data for the asset you've selected, setting the stage for the rest of your analysis. Now, direct your attention to the lower right-hand corner of the screen here. You'll see an icon that looks like a square made up of 9 small dots. It's often referred to as the mini waffle due to its grid-like appearance. Click on this icon to open up additional options. From the menu that appears, select Options. Keep in mind that it may take a moment for the options data to load as Tradingview retrieves the latest market information for your selected asset. Don't worry if there's a slight delay. This is completely normal. Once the options section is loaded, you'll notice the Strategy Builder interface at the top. This is a powerful tool that provides a visual representation of potential trades. It also displays key metrics to help you evaluate your strategy. These include the current underlying price, which reflects the real-time value of the asset you're analyzing, as well as the maximum profit and maximum loss. These figures highlight the best and worst-case scenarios for your trade. You'll also see the win rate, which estimates the probability of success, and the break-even point, indicating the price your asset needs to reach at expiration to cover costs. Additionally, the lot size, or the number of contracts involved in the trade, is displayed here. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these details, as they are crucial for making informed decisions. Next, scroll down to view the options chain. The options chain is essentially a table that displays all the available call and put contracts for your selected asset, organized by expiration date and strike price. This section is where you'll spend most of your time analyzing and comparing different contracts. By browsing through the options chain, you can identify contracts that align with your trading plan. Whether you're looking to execute high-probability spreads or strategies based on market volatility, this table provides the data you need to evaluate your choices. As you go through the options chain, pay special attention to the implied volatility of each contract. Implied volatility is a critical metric because it reflects the market's expectation of how much the stock is likely to move. Contracts with high implied volatility tend to be more expensive, but they also offer greater profit potential if the market moves sharply in your favor. By considering implied volatility alongside other factors, you can better assess the risk and reward of each trade. Finally, use all the information provided in the options section to refine your trading decisions and effectively manage your risk. By combining insights from the Strategy Builder interface, the options chain, and implied volatility data, you'll be able to develop a well-rounded approach to options trading that aligns with your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe